or different on your pages? About 30 seconds to do this. I should hear some talk. Oh, hi. Any differences you notice?
Everyone changes.
We'll make that a quarter hour.
How do you do it?
But now we have to make sure.
She said we're sharing.
Any similarities, differences? Who has the hedgehog? Aha! All right, you're going to start us out. What was something discussed at your table over there that you differed in your tables?
Just the last thing on the week we differed in how long it took us to get home.
Say that again.
And Eve, how long it took us to get home.
All right, can I have someone at the front table repeat what he just said? They weren't sure how long it took to get home. Raise your hand if your group also talked about not being sure how long it took to get home. So that's a question. Did anybody notice any other differences in how you measured tables? Go for it.
Yeah, I had 15 minutes. You had a quarter of an hour for the time.
All right, raise your hand if you wrote 15 minutes. Raise your hand if you wrote a quarter hour. Raise your hand if you think that those are equivalent. Tell me why those are equivalent, please, Mr. Long.
The units are different, so a quarter of an hour is equivalent to 15 minutes.
How do you know that?
Because of the clock and ways to buy it.
That's one way to look at it. Anyone know another way to tell that a quarter of an hour is 15 minutes? Cool, so equivalent fractions. All right, so we're going to pause there. Now, what I would like you to do is with your groups, you have a giant piece of paper, and you have a marker, and you have a ruler. You are going to try to graph this trip, and you can use whatever graph you want. It doesn't have to look like the one on the page. You can be creative. You can make it pretty, but you're going to have only 5 minutes. So get started now. So I like how you said constant.
Are we going to make it similar to this?
I would. We only have 5 minutes.
I really like your little section forward here on the graph paper thing.
Okay, just make it. Okay. All because of the 15 minutes. Of
I
course.
know.
I like that.
No, we don't.
Come here.
We're not room here. I'll just do 1, 2.
Oh, well, I'm trying to get you.
Think about what you're drawing. At least that's drawing. So you
But I'll let you think about it in your head. All right, what was your first step?
How about time crunch?
She's drawing the what? Yeah. Okay, and then what are you going to do next?
I put 40 miles per hour.
Okay, so what do you guys think? We can be talking about that while she's setting it up. What was the appropriate?
30 miles per hour.
So it's supposed to be the same as this, it's just an example.
So you are going to make a graph of this data, and you are going to use these.
this.
So you can use this if you'd like, but you can be more creative if you would like also.
Okay.
All right, we have time is ticking. 3.5 minutes. What was your scale? What does that stand for? Because it's different from home. The hours. Okay, hours. 1 hour. Ooh, elapsed time was a good What was your first
And make some line for that color.
And what are these numbers? Miles, okay. What are these numbers?
Can I get a job in there? That's what it said.
So like this represents 1 hour.
No, that represents 1 hour, 2 hours.
3 hours.
But when do we start? Oh, okay. So like right here is where
9 a.m.
and this one 2
10.
and so on. All right. So what is this?
So it was like 9.
So what when would that be? Okay. Cool. All right. You guys already have a line drawn. So where did that line come from?
Can we make this 10?
All right, so we'll start 0, 0. Then we go to 1 hour and 70.
Okay, and how did you know that that line was gonna go up all the way here and not like end up?
And then we stay still for 2 hours.
By 10.
And then
Well, that's what we thought. That's what she was
we travel
told me that was my problem.
15 minutes.
We got a class.
40 miles an hour.
Do you agree with the first three
Up to
points?
30 minutes.
Or first two points?
And then they say 15 minutes.
Is your graph going to be points like this? Do I agree with that?
Is this 0, 0? Yes. Okay, just check it. So we're doing the first hour, they want the second hour, right?
What am I doing now?
Yes, see, that's why I think this.
49 seconds left to finish your graphs.
After an hour.
After an hour, you drew 70 miles, yep.
And
So this is when we went straight to that.
Because you told me you drove 7 miles an hour.
70 miles away from home.
All right, on 3, I want you to show me with your fingers. I will wait. With your fingers, show me how much more time your group needs out of 3. 1, 2, or 3. Go ahead. Everybody's fingers should be up. 2 is the majority. You have 2 more minutes. Go. All right, so you have to break this hard. What is that? Why do you Oh, okay.
Farther from bed. Oh, 40 miles per hour.
Quarter of an hour.
Wait, but it's only 4 hours. We only went 10.
Yeah, we're at 80.
About 60.
Oh, okay.
15. Thanks, good.
Okay, so we need to go.
Alright, so what is this line?
Straight across for another.
This is a constant. They shop for.
It couldn't have gone any farther, so we're still 70
We're
miles
still
from
70
home.
miles from home. We didn't stop, so we're still 70 miles from home. So that's the straight. Well, now we pick back up again for 15 minutes. 40 miles
15
per hour
minutes.
for 15 minutes.
Which means that in a quarter hour we only went 10 miles away.
10 miles away.
Okay.
Because a quarter of 40 is 10.
And a quarter of 60. 15.
It's going to take more than 1.25 hours.
Okay.
And for 1 hour we were constantly again.
1 minute
Good
left.
speed.
1 minute left here again.
use the link for the rules.
So take that from there.
Wait for it out. I say constant somewhere.
And it's constant distance.
No, it's still, what's actually going on?
Times your lunch.
We're not doing any further away.
20 miles an hour. So that's at 80 miles, 20 miles an hour is going to be 4 hours to get there. So she actually started leaving at 4 hours and 15 since she left home. So 8:15 is when she got out.
Alright, I like it. Do you need anything else on the graph for it to be
You got
accurate?
my back title maybe?
4 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and 0. Have someone in your group put your poster somewhere in your room and stand up next to it, please. That person is going to be the spokesperson for your group. Go ahead and do that now. You have 15 seconds. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. You can hold it, that's fine. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Everybody else, go ahead and get out of your seats and look at least 3 posters that were not yours. And spokesperson can explain their poster.
We didn't know their speed, so they stayed at the cafe.
I don't know how they have.
How do they know?
See 3 posters and then take your seats, please.
How did you take it to 10? What? Take it, how did you know the decline was 10? Did it really say?
Well, it said that it was going slow.
Yeah. I knew it wasn't 11. Or not.
Go back to seat.
All right, everybody, please take your seats. Thank you, those of you taking your seats. Poster people can sit down as well. Oh, sorry.
I like this. Tear off. That's expensive.
Video you.
Alrighty, now who has the mouse? Alrighty, go ahead and mouse person, click on page 2 up there at the top. I don't know who has it, so I can't call them by name.
Mouse.
And
Kelly.
don't do anything yet. Before we do this, I want to know about what was the most compelling difference in all of the graphs. What was the thing that you noticed was an obvious difference in some of the graphs? Going home. And that was a difference because why? We didn't know, they didn't give us enough information, but what did we know about going home? We did go. We did go.
You stayed at the
Talk to your groups about what we did know about going home. And pause. All right, mouse person, where are you? Mouse person. I don't know who it is. Oh, great. Okay, go ahead and click. You're gonna have to scroll down probably to push play on this. Now we're gonna watch what happens. Just go ahead and play panel 1 right there. Thumbs up if your group thinks you got a similar thing for panel 1. Nice. Play panel 2, please. Thumbs up if your group got a similar thing. Thumbs down if you were confused by this piece at all. Thumbs sideways if your group discussed this piece at all. What did you discuss about this piece?
That they shot for 2 hours, so they had no speed.
They had no speed, which meant what about the distance? Same. Awesome. Go ahead and play panel 3 for us. All right, this one was tricky. I want someone in the back group to explain.